Hi Earth Signs! What's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today, Earth Signs, gagawin natin yung reading for the date August 16, 2025, especially in your love life. Tingnan natin kung ano ba mga dapat nyong asahan for today, August 16, 2025 when it comes to love life. Please take note lang din, Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, that this reading is just a general reading. Maaari siya mag-resonate, maaari hindi. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and check. So, Earth Signs for August 16, 2025 when it comes to love. Kamusta kayo? Earth Signs when it comes to love. Kamusta kayo? One shuffle and we're done. Okay. Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Kamusta kayo? When it comes to love, what happened in the recent past? Ano ba nangyari sa recent past kay Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn? Regarding the Page of Wands, so something about an offer. Maybe may gustong mag-offer sa inyo ng something, a passionate new beginning, or someone here wants to offer a passionate new beginning, or you want someone to offer you a passionate new beginning. Parang there's something about an offer here. What about the Page of Wands? Seven of Pentacles. Maring matagal na kayo may hinihintay na pagbabago when it comes to your love life. And parang nag-wonder na kayo if ever mangyayari pa ba yun. Or bibitawan nyo na lang. Okay. And then, Nine of Wands in the reverse. Maring kayo ay naging frustrated, defensive, anxious about a situation and parang pinipili mo nang mag-give up. Okay? Pinipili mo nang mag-give up about this situation. Okay? Sino ba itong kakonect ni Earth Signs for today? Could be another Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Someone na maaaring kasama mo sa work, someone na kakilala mo or nakilala mo sa work, or something about work-related, or just someone from your circle. Ano ang feelings ng person na to kay Earth Signs? You've got here the Three of Swords. So, feeling heartbroken about what? Okay. So, someone here is heartbroken about possibly pagiging chillax lang. Okay, na hindi niya mapagbigyan yung request ng isa. Is what I think. Someone here is parang feeling sorry as well na hindi niya mapagbigyan yung isa. What else is for Earth Signs? You've got your King of Swords. So, I think meron na nag-open up sa inyo about this situation. I just don't know kung na-heard kayo or napakinggan kayo. Kaya pala gusto nilang umalis ng isa. Tell me something else. You got here the Seven of Wands. So, I think meron dito pagod ng makipaglaban. For this relationship, for this situation, something na gusto nilang i-correct yung isang bagay pero hindi makorek-correct. Maybe they want to parang give up na about this. Anything else? Knight of Pentacles, could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maybe ang tagal mo na itong hinihintay pero hindi pa rin dumarating. Maybe nababagalan ka na. Maaring iniisip mo, meron ng sinisecret sa'yo yung person mo, may something na mali. Alam mo yun, meron ng parang may iba na ba, gano'n, kaya sila gano'n. Maaari din may mga hinahanap kang info na makakapagpa-second demotion doon sa mga naiisip mo, but I don't know kung may nakita ka. Maring nagdadamdam ka na rin with your person kasi nga parang hindi mo ibigay sa yung gusto mo. Okay, na parang gusto mo lang naman maging masaya, gusto mo lang maging celebratory, parang maging festive yung pagsasama niyo, mas maging masaya, mas mag-improve. And ayaw mo na yung parang malamya, I think, is the right word. Anything else that you can say for August 16, 2025? Got here the Three of Wands. Someone here, I think, will step up and parang will pursue a different direction and will start to build. Okay, let me know one more card. Something about yung conflict yung dalawa. What about the Five of Wands? Six of Cups. Na maaaring ibalik sa dati yung lahat, mga ganon, or parang i-improve pa yung relationship nyo. I'm hearing kung ano yung gusto mo ibibigay, mga ganon. Okay, so let's take a look about what's your energy for your relationship for today. Energy for the relationship for today, Earth signs. That you're keeping secret lies, so maybe you really think your person, or they could be keeping secrets or lies towards you. I don't know. What else is the highlight of Earth signs for today? Okay, you have inner growth and non-committal or independent. Ayun nga, that's the right word for it, non-committal. So, maaring you're feeling na medyo detached sa'yo yung person mo, or you're feeling na medyo parang nagkukulang sa'yo yung person mo sa pagbubuhos ng atensyon or ng parang emotions, ganyan. And you just want it to grow, you just want it to improve, okay? Let's see kung ano masasabi nila sa inyo for today, August 16, 2025. Ano masasabi ng person may earth sign sa kanila? You've got here, I need space in the reverse. I need space in the reverse. So, maaaring open naman itong person na to. When it comes to your question, when it comes to your what do you want to happen, maybe hindi lang nila napapansin or maybe hindi lang nila napagtutuunan masyado ng attention ang sinasabi mo, maaaring busy sa work. Ito rin reverse, I wish we could be together but it's complicated. So I think you're still together with your person, no? It's just that parang I'm sensing there's no need to be madrama. I'm hearing that. Maybe sinasabi ng person mo, there's no need to be madrama about this. Just tell me what you want. And I'll hear you out. Parang mga ganun. Okay, one last card for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, dalawa. I wish you were mine and you miss me the way I miss you. So, I wish you were mine. So, I think your person also wants that intimate space with you. And do you miss me the way I miss you? So, parang ina-assess nila kung nasa same page lang ba kayo when it comes to things. Kasi siguro nararamdaman na rin nila na medyo may distance na or parang no off ka siguro about it or parang feeling mo hindi ka nga napapakinggan. But I think you just have to open up with this person. Okay? So, yun lang naman, Ursa. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much, Earth Signs. Have a good one. Bye!